Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram bot with Claude Code. First, create a bot on Telegram by opening the app, then search for bot father and start a chat with it. Now, type /new bot, follow the steps to set a name and username, and after that, copy your bot token because you will need it later. Next, set up your project by opening the terminal, then create a new folder using mkdirbot. Go inside it with cdbot. Then run npm init-y to create your project, and after that install the required packages using npm install node telegram bot api.env. Now, ask Claude AI to generate the bot code by running a prompt like create a simple Telegram bot that replies hello, and Claude will generate the full working code for your bot. Then, add your bot token by creating a .env file and writing bot_token equals your token here, so your bot can connect securely without exposing the token in your code. After that, run the bot by typing node-index.js in your terminal and make sure there are no errors when starting the bot. Finally, go back to Telegram, open your bot chat, send a message like hello, and your bot will automatically reply, which means your Telegram bot is now working successfully. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.